boy. I don't believe we're doing this.
Just keep looking mean. That decoding room's got to be around here somewhere.
Decoding room, my eye. Hey, I'm looking for an exit.
Oh, we'll find an exit as soon as we get our hands on that computer tape.
Computer tape?
Jo, Rudolph!
Is he shouting at us?
Yeah, shut
Wart
up.
auf mich!
Think we better stop?
I'd like to stop, but my legs won't let me. Come on.
Jo, wer ist das Mädel?
Eine neue Gefangene.
Gut, gut. Wo bringst du sie hin?
Ins Varnimog-Summer.
Mensch, hast du aber Glück. Also viel Spaß. Auch für mich.
Where did you tell him we were going? Is that it?
Yeah, that's it. Guards and all. How are we gonna get past them?
Tell him that Petro sent you for the computer tape.
You really think they'll believe that?
Well, it's worth a try.
Boy, you gotta be crazy. They'll never go for it.
Well, you got us past the other guard.
Yeah, but there was only one of him.
So talk twice as fast, okay? Please.
Okay, come on. It's worth a try. Petrov, pack mich das Bankgeschicht.
Petrov? Jawohl. Wer ist das Mädchen?
Die Amerikanerin.
In Ordnung, du kannst hineingehen. Sie bleibt hier draußen bei mir. You're cute.